All right, now we are doing the seated dumbbell shoulder press, putting emphasis on the anterior or front head of the shoulder as well as overall shoulder development. Now, a few things to make sure that you are maximizing the contraction that you're getting on your shoulder muscles for this exercise. Number one, when you're performing the movement, you want to bring your elbows in slightly. You do not want to have them completely out, as it puts a lot of stress on the shoulder and rotator cuff and might cause injury. So bring the elbows slightly in and you will be in this nice natural position to begin the movement. Number two, you want to make sure that you come all the way up and actually touch the dumbbells together overhead. This is going to, again, maximize the contraction that you're getting on the shoulder muscles. So instead of just coming up right here, you want to finish off the movement by actually bringing the dumbbells together to maximize contraction. Number three, you're going to bring the dumbbells all the way down and get a nice deep stretch. I go, as low as possible for this exercise, but rule of thumb is to get the dumbbells so that they're at least parallel to your ears, right? So coming down, getting that deep stretch, and then repeating the movement. That is how you effectively do a seated dumbbell shoulder press.